is always 100% Florida and never imported. Florida's natural.
Undersea adventure. Explore sprawling kingdoms and make memories that you'll never forget at the Walt Disney World Resort.
Mom's secret for litter odor? Baking soda. Now there's Arm & Hammer Ultralast. Even when you can't scoop, Ultralast gives you longer-lasting odor control. Every granule's coated with baking soda, plus powerful odor destroyers. Switch to Ultralast.
How can you say you're in love with her?
She gives me Snickers peanut butter squared and I eat it.
It's Snickers with creamy peanut butter. Would you like one?
We should keep an open mind.
If you like